Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and welcome to In the Cut, where we just kind of watch the laser do its thing. And today we're doing this design. Oh, over here. I'm so shiny. And we're doing this on a piece of coated steel. Now, they did say that it was anodized, but from smelling it, kind of smells like it's painted, some sort of special paint. But we're gonna go about it the same way, and we're actually gonna engrave this mandala on there with the CO2 laser, so we can show you that. And then Thursday, we are going to do the same thing on the fiber. Now, Charles asked me, why do I love mandalas so much? Well, I don't really love mandalas, even though they look good. They're impressive. There's a lot of detail when it comes to a mandala design that is very impressive when it comes out of a laser, and would be very time consuming if you did it any other way. So that's why I like mandalas, Charles. So please enjoy. We're gonna do this at 100 power, 100 speed, and then we're gonna do it on the fiber Thursday, and we'll show you the difference. One thing I wanted to say before we go is CO2 does not affect metal in any way, bare metal at all. So this is the only way you're going to get this type of mark without using paint, anodization, or Surmark. It's actually just removing the coating and showing the bare metal underneath. Now, when I first started, I used to think the CO2 is not going to do anything to the metal, so I'm just going to blast it with as much power as I can, and you know, it won't affect it, right? Well, that's not really the case, especially when it comes to fine detail things. Sometimes on the edge of those, the paint where you want to keep that paint, it kind of gets distorted and blasted away by the laser itself, just because of the heat in that area. So it is going to remove your paint, so you still have to dial in your power settings. Anyways, this is about 5 minutes of engraving at 500 DPI. Usually we'll go 250 DPI for a basic black and white engraving, but we are removing the paint and we want all of it gone. So we're going to just do 500 DPI, and we'll start that right now.